If you want to post videos on Bluesky, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, go ahead and open up your Bluesky. Click the pencil bar at the bottom right, okay? And then just go ahead and click the tape right here at the bottom left. You're gonna see GIF, camera, like a video tape. Go ahead and click the video tape. And from here, just select the video that you want to post. Let's say, for example, I want to post this one, right? And basically, as you can see, now the video is here, and I can limit the reply and who can access my post. And as you can see right here, anybody can interact. Go ahead and click on it, right, to modify the settings. And you can see right here the replies. You can set it to no one, right, or combine these options: mentioned users or followed users, right? And here in the quote settings, if you want people to quote your post, you could just enable it or disable it, okay? So click post at the top right after you finish doing whatever you want to that post. If you want to add something like like a thread, for example, by clicking the plus button, if you want to add something to that video, right, like more information, you can just go ahead and then hit post all at the top right. Basically, that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.